This is your boy Brando with Fitness Protocols. In this episode, I'll share with you how to gain size, strength, and break through plateaus. Now, if we're talking about gaining size and strength, we're talking about hypertrophy. If we're talking about hypertrophy, we're talking about nutrition, sleep, weight training, and cardio. We call this the program. By following the program, we're optimizing our body's function. This is U to the second power. This is U to the third power, U to the fourth power, U to the fifth power, amplifying your results many times over. This is maximizing efficiency. Now, I've been in the field of health, fitness, and nutrition for over 15 years, and my burning desire is to share knowledge, experience, and methods to living a sober, productive, and meaningful life. This is an investment in ourselves. Let's compare this to a business model. In a business model, the program would be, this would be an LLC, right? You need a bank loan, that's nutrition, fuel for the cause, profitability. This would be the sleep, how progress is manifested. This is the business plan, drives results. Now let's break down nutrition. This is, if we're bulking, that's going to be 1.5 grams to 2 grams of protein per day. A recomp would be 1.2 to 1.5 grams. And a cut / maintenance is 1.25 grams of protein per day. 3 to 4 servings of vegetables per day. And 2 to 3 servings of fruit per day. We want to have a diverse range of different foods that will strengthen our gut health. That's your immune system. It will optimize body function while alternating the foods you eat daily will also prevent food sensitivities. We want to maximize our ability to process proteins and be in good health. Having a shot of apple cider vinegar every morning, and it has to say with mother on it, will provide our bodies the proper prebiotics for a good, diverse healthy gut. Specifics on the how and why of gut health, check out my video on how to reduce belly fat. By mostly eating low glycemic fruits and veggies during the day, we're driving down our insulin response. Insulin is responsible for driving nutrients into muscle cells and into fat cells. If there's a lack of macronutrients present in the foods that we eat, such as processed foods, the insulin is going to fuel the fat cells, and we don't want that. Remember, fruits and veggies fuel muscle cells, and beer and potato chips fuel fat cells. How much nutrients in there? Now, this doesn't mean we never eat processed foods. You know, I love cuddling up with my wife and my bear dogs on a Friday night and enjoying a frozen pizza. It's just about being mindful. Just every meal can't be that. If our goal is size, strength, if our goal is hypertrophy, we need this and this. Next is sleep. We should be getting 7 to 9 hours of deep quality sleep. Sleep rejuvenates the mind, body, and spirit. It regulates our hormones, repairs our muscles, replenishes the brain with nutrients required to focus. Focus is important so we can focus on what we're supposed to be doing. Our gains aren't made at the gym, it's made when we're resting. Next up is weight training, full body routine. Because the more muscle that we pack on in these 3 areas, the faster our metabolism is going to be. More muscle means more calories we're burning. Now let's separate these days individually and flow this out. All right, push day. We're going to do a bench press variation. Our power movements build strength while maximizing fat burn. Incline, flat, decline, your choice. And we're using our body for awareness. So our push day, we hit our compound movement. Then we go, what encompasses a push day? We got chest, we got shoulders, and we have triceps. And this is how easy and simple, but yet effective this program is. Is our chest sore? You say no. Okay, we're going to do dumbbell flies. If you said yes, no more chest exercises. We're going to go over to shoulders. Are our shoulders sore? Yes. No more shoulder workouts for that day. If you said no, we'll do some shrugs or some lateral raises. Triceps. The triceps sore? No. Okay. So we're going to do some dips or some skull crushers, some press downs. Pick your exercises. If it's sore, we skip it until it's not sore. Each exercise is 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. At the end of the push day, we'll add in 1 set to failure of either a quad exercise or a hamstring exercise. Now for pull day. The next day is pull. Let's create the chart. What's our power movement going to be? Barbell rows, a row. We'll say a row, barbell, your choice. All right. After we complete this, what makes up a pull? So what makes up a pull? Your lats, your rear delts, your biceps. Is your lats sore? You say no. Okay. We're going to do pull downs. Rear delts. So your rear delts sore. Yes. They're sore from yesterday's push day because you did a bunch of lateral raises. So yes, sore. So we skip it. Biceps. Are your biceps sore? No. Do some dumbbell curls. Now this is our major. Then we have a minor. Our minor workout will be one movement of the legs. Is your quad sore? No. Okay. Then you're going to do leg extensions. If you said yes, then you're going to do hamstrings, leg curls. Now your leg day. Compound movement's going to be squats. Is your quad sore? Quads? Are they sore? No. Okay. You're going to do lunges. Hamstrings. Are your hamstrings sore? Well, you hit them the day before. So yes, they're sore. They're definitely sore. No, you're going to skip them. Calves. Your calves sore? No. Seated calf raises. So essentially, if it's sore, we skip it. If it's not sore, we hit it. And lastly, cardio. Every day we work out, we're doing 20 minutes of cardio. We're prioritizing the weight training first to burn up the glycogen, so there's nothing left but fat to burn when we hit cardio. Either high intensity, HIIT training, or endurance. And last but not least, here are 5 techniques for breaking through plateaus. The greater the stretch, the greater the recruitment of muscles. Lengthen the muscle, allowing room for additional growth. The stretch is one of the key factors that initiates need to grow, the growth adaptation. Think of it as making room for additional muscle. The second method, explosive/cheat reps. This is high intensity. This produces erratic fatigue. They're more validating and generating that need for adaptation. Each rep should be explosive, so it should only take you about 1 second at the contraction and then 2 to 3 seconds on the way back down to the start position. And lastly, the slower controlled half reps. This is going to be performed at a lower weight, very deliberately targeting and squeezing the muscle. This is the triple verification that sends the message: excessive stress is present and growth is necessary. Next is slow and deliberate pause reps. Now we're getting a nice stretch here, and we're adding to the time under tension, promoting hypertrophy. You only need a slight pause, but you should feel tension throughout the entire set. This is most effective with sets of 10 of moderate to heavier weight. And lastly, countdown reps performed at a lower weight. I'm holding for 5 seconds, slowly releasing on the negative, holding for 4 seconds, slowly releasing, hold for 3 seconds, slowly release, hold for 2 seconds, slowly release, hold for 1 second, give or take, release. Thank you very much for watching. I'm grateful for your time and attention. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It goes a long way to help me grow my channel. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. I drop a new video as often as possible. Feel free to drop a comment. I do read all the comments and I appreciate the feedback. Thank you again. Let's strengthen our minds, body, and spirit one day at a time. Till next time.